A very good morning to you all. You are watching News 47 and I am Priyanka Panja. And I welcome you all to our today's show Expert Ki Baat. And our today's expert is Anu Dhanuka, an entrepreneur. You held me in your hands, I promised to make you proud. When I held your hand, I promised to stay your side. When I held you in my hands, I promised a new world. And when I held my heart, I made a pact to fill it with happiness. Life is a promise we need to do first to ourselves and then share it with others. Anu Dhanuka, a simple soul with a beautiful smile, age 39, hailing from beautiful land of forts and palaces, Rajasthan. Who is not only a daughter, wife, mother, an artist, a fitness enthusiast, a business professional, but also a woman who believes in her dreams and is constantly working towards it. As she says, you become what you believe. Anu Dhanuka says, my parents not only taught me my life's first lesson of integrity and gratitude, but also showered their immense love which built that confidence in me that allowed me to take and respect my own decisions. My upbringing helped me to grow as a person that is capable of bringing that beautiful curve on everyone's face. Anu Dhanuka believes in living life on 5 P's: power, passion, politeness, peace and patience. Let's now talk about Anu Dhanuka's achievements. Anu Dhanuka is the Vice President of International Foundation of Women 2020. She achieved India 500 CEO Award 2020. She is in the top 50 Tech Leaders 2019 in Innovation and Technology by Intercon Dubai. She is also in the top 51 Influential Leaders of Gurugram 2019. Anu Dhanuka got Women of Influence Award in 2019. She got prestigious Indian of the Year Award 2019 by G-Pen. She is the winner of Indian Icon Award 2019. Anu Dhanuka is the winner of Global Icon and Mrs. India Worldwide Confident in the year 2018. She is also the face of Tiranga and LA Genius 2018. Besides all this, she has bagged many other titles. Being mother of 2 daughters, she never stopped herself from pursuing and chasing and live her dreams. Her love for her children has encouraged her to sponsor education of 2 girl child. Not only walking on ramp in international fashion weeks, but she is also a renowned artist, professional baker, Karuna Reiki master practitioner, social activist, Zumba instructor, yoga trainer and marathon runner. Anu Dhanuka with her partner Gunjan Dhanuka is the founder and CEO of 3 companies: Dhanuka Electrotrek Private Limited and Kyasa International and Safocart International. Anu Dhanuka launched Safo Buddy Kids smartphone watch, which is now becoming a need of parents in current times. It helps in always keeping a touch with your child. Anu Dhanuka has proved that if a woman decides for herself, she is unstoppable. मंजिलें तो मिल ही जाएंगी, भटकते ही सही, गुमराह तो वो हैं जो कभी घर से निकले ही नहीं. Anu Dhanuka believes in living the life you love and loving the life you live. So let's listen to our today's expert Anu Dhanuka only and only on News 47.
Namaste. Today, I would like to share a small message to all my listeners. Being an entrepreneur, a beauty pageant winner, an artist, a Reiki practitioner, and above all, a woman, I would like everyone to know the 5 P mantras, what I follow. The power of passion. Recognize your passion. Unless and until you recognize your passion, you will not be able to work towards it. For once you have recognized your passion, put all your power in achieving it. Fill yourself with all positivity. Have patience in this journey. This will for sure fill your life with all peace and love. The world we live in is the world we create for ourselves. the energies what we emit, the thought process what we emit in the universe, in the frequency, it comes back to us. Recognize your passion. Once you have done that, start working towards it. But that doesn't mean, because we women have multiple roles in our life, sometimes some things has to take a back seat. Taking a back seat never means that you have to leave your dreams, you have to leave your passion, you cannot follow them forever in any time future. No, never stop working for them. Have some patience. So these are the key words. If we keep in our mind, I'm sure things will become a little bit easier for us to handle. There are people definitely sometimes ask me, how am I able to manage, so versatile roles? Sometimes I'm an artist, sometimes I do healings, I'm an entrepreneur, I run my own supermarket, and I'm a woman. Yes, I never forget that. I'm a daughter-in-law, I'm a daughter, I'm a sister, I'm a wife, I'm mom. And we all women are facing the same issues somewhere or other. कई बार फैमिली नहीं समझती है, कई बार हम खुद को नहीं समझते हैं, बट रास्ता तभी मिलेगा। वो कहते हैं ना, मंजिलें तो मिल ही जाएंगी भटकते हुए ही सही, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं। Unless and until you put this first, your best foot forward, you recognize your passion, your dreams, you start loving yourself, you will not be able to guide others, fill everyone else's life with happiness. Also, in this journey, sometimes, events that happens in our past, we are not able to take them out. और वो कहीं ना कहीं वो इवेंट्स हमारे प्रेजेंट को स्पॉइल करते जाते हैं, या फिर हम अपने प्रेजेंट में अपने आने वाले फ्यूचर के लिए ही सोचते सोचते अपने प्रेजेंट को बिता देते हैं, और इस चक्कर में हमारा प्रेजेंट हमारा पास बन जाता है, और आने वाला फ्यूचर हमारा प्रेजेंट बन के भी कुछ नहीं कर पाता है। यस, गिफ्ट ऑफ प्रेजेंट is a present to you by God. I would like to share a few lines written by me. Presence of present is the promise of some blessings. Presence of present is the result of some deeds. Presence of present is something for us to cherish. Life is a blend of all times, blend of all spice, blends of ups and downs. We cherish our highs because we have tasted our lows. We value those whose absence makes us life hollow. Everything surrounds us, teaches us. Everything that surrounds teaches us. Without lows, there would be no highs. Gratitude is what we need to fill our life with love and light.
So this was our today's expert Anu Dhanuka. Hope you all got many things to learn from her and also got inspired by her. If you want to talk about something or ask something to our experts, you can ask it in the comment section of this video. And if you want to be a part of our channel, you can contact us on the mail given in the description of this video. That's all in this report. Till then, keep watching News 47.